welcome to my channel. Today I will be making steamed egg with salted fish. The ingredients that you will need salted fish, eggs, green onions, pork, sachuk, fish sauce, the tray, sugar, skull, black pepper, marik, garlic, saw, chili, mate, and chicken powder and the masala soup. Okay, first we're going to soak our fish in water. And I'm just going to use only half of it. So with that soaked, okay, I'm just going to use a tail, and this one I'll just save it for later. So this is hot water. Let it sit. Okay, moving on. We're going to mince our pork. Chạm sạch mọt hay đặt chỗ chán đó chỗ chán đi. We're gonna cut our green onions. Put that in here. Okay, then go ahead and cut up your chili pepper. Depends on how spicy you like it. You can use a lot or a little. Sea salt trong chuyện há rồi mua ở há yang pra tê tam để dương trong á. Now we're going to put in a fish sauce, the tray, sugar, skull, black pepper, marik, and chicken soup mix, and masala soup. Okay, and now we're going to crack in our egg. Okay, là nó tray dương riêng tuần mình tí hay dương vô mà vô sách hay dương chỉnh chạm vía. Now that my fish is a little bit soft, so I'm gonna mince this as well too. So after you mince your dry fish, you're gonna put it within our egg. Okay, now we're just gonna mix everything all together. Hay dân vô xăm muối cô vía nữa. Châu thằng châu chuyện châu ấy. And make sure you give it a good mix so there's not that many lumps. Then go with a ball of green chôn ở hết á. Là dương dương mà cho hỏi nhiều. Make sure water boil. Phải tự những phút. Cho hỏi nhiều nữa. Gonna cook it for about 30 minutes. Dương ăn bia cả lá máu nữa. Okay, lâu chả nè. Lá mau pot hai, bật phơi ạ. Be careful, it's hot. Okay. Giờ phải đặt một drop muối nè. Get something, make sure it's burn your hand. Okay. Okay, here you go. Steam egg with salt fish. Đầu tiên cho hơi cho muối tray bờ mà. The salt. Hoành mồm phải mồm mà I could smell the type of ma. Oh, ngon. Ngon rồi đó. Yummy. Phần nắng sáng nắp bọc ổn. Bà cho chết video này xong complete ở tâm like môi máu. Hay chui đã comment and share. Hay subscribe tới bọc nhóm. Hay đăng chụp hình nào sắp đặt vào kìa. Kinh trán hay đăng kẹp điểm. Bye bye.